In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SHEIN account. To get started, open the SHEIN app on your phone or go to the SHEIN website in your browser if you're using a computer. Once the app or website has loaded, look for the Me tab. This is usually where your personal account settings, orders, and profile information are located. Tapping or clicking on Me will take you to the account area, which is where you'll begin the sign up process. After that, find and select the sign in/Sverige register option. Even though it says sign in, this is also the place where new users can create an account. Once you open that page, you'll see the available ways to register. At this point, you can choose the method that works best for you. If you want a faster option, select continue with Google. This can save time because it connects your Google account directly to SHEIN. If you prefer, you can also enter your Gmail address manually instead. This option gives you more control over entering your information step by step. Whichever method you choose, make sure you're using an email address you can access since you may need it later for verification, password recovery, or account notifications. If you're signing up manually, the next step is to create a password. Choose a password that is strong but easy for you to remember. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to help keep your account secure. Try not to reuse a password from another account, especially for online shopping. Once your password is set, just follow the prompts to complete your profile. Depending on what SHEIN asks for, this may include confirming basic account details or filling in a few pieces of personal information to finish setting everything up. Take a moment to review what you enter so your account information is accurate from the beginning. When you're done, your SHEIN account should be ready to use. From there, you'll be able to browse products, save favorites, track orders, and manage your shopping preferences more easily. And that's it. If you follow these steps carefully, creating a SHEIN account is quick and simple.